talk about that. Everybody turn around, wave goodbye to all those beautiful people on the dock. And then wave goodbye to the ugly ones too, because that would be really rude not to. All right, we are out into the jungle. Is everybody excited? Woo! Might as well introduce myself. My name is Skipper Dylan. I'll be your skipper for as far as we make it. Some rules first. Please remain seated, keeping hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat. And be sure to watch your kids, because I'm not going to do that for you. Oh yeah, sorry folks. I know you didn't think you picked a water ride for your first ride of the day, but you know, we got to go this way. I mean, this is my shower for the month. Yeah, so it's got to happen at some point. But let's move on from that. Up ahead on the right-hand side, we have the temple, the Forbidden Eye. You know, I actually used to work over there. Yeah, but I just couldn't stand to see my career in ruins. Yeah, so instead I opted for this job where I tell jokes to a bunch of people that stare at me blankly. Kill me. Up ahead on the left-hand side, we have an ancient Cambodian shrine, of course, built by ancient Cambodian Shriners. Wow, and check that out. That right there is an Indo-Chinese tiger. You know, those big kitties can actually jump up to 20 feet. But don't worry, we're a good 15 feet away, so it should go right over us. Oh boy, don't make any sudden moves. These right here are king cobras. They're known for shooting acid out of their eyes. Gnarly, huh? Weird though, they each travel in times of 4, but I'm only counting 3 of them. You know what, that actually reminds me, you guys at the back of the boat, check around your feet. They love the heat of the engine right there. I wouldn't worry about it too much, because I'm up here for you guys. Yeah, so sorry. Anyways, this right here is the sacred bathing pool of the Indian elephant. And here they are. So feel free to take as many photos and videos as you'd like, folks. They've all got their trunks on. Now yesterday, that was a whole other story, and let me tell you, these guys are a bunch of sickos. They actually have some fun facts about elephants. Did you know they can grow up to 4 feet? Whereas us humans, we only grow to 2. It's also at a year of age when they start learning how to shoot acid out of their eyes. Crazy, huh? Oh, that scored everybody. Hey, Squirt, it was really funny when you sprayed my boat yesterday and all the Girl Scouts were crying. But hey, I got families on board this time, okay, dude? I know, worries. He's just messing around. He's not messing around, guys. Duck down if you don't want to get wet. Duck down, I'm not kidding. Just kidding. I'm not kidding. I'm not kidding. I was just kidding. You guys look a little scary. You should see the look on your face. Yeah, I actually slipped him a tenner earlier to play that prank on you, but yeah. Why you guys look scared? Like you saw an explosion or something. I promise you nothing that cool ever happens in the jungle, okay? Up ahead is our base camp. I'm gonna hop out with some flies real quick. You mind driving for a second? All you do is you turn the wheels, do whatever you want. It's awesome. Scratch that. Forget I said anything. Looks like our camp is protected by a bunch of gorillas. Oh, it's cute. A gorilla with a gun. A gorilla with a gun! Oh my goodness, let's get out of here. I want no part of that. That is insane. You know, now that we're in safety, you know what I'm thinking? I'm thinking I just saved your life. Yeah, so thank you is usually what comes after that, but don't worry, we'll let that one slide. Trust me, you guys will have plenty of opportunities to thank you for saving us. We're gonna get into a lot of danger. Oh, it's a waterfall! Or hold on, folks, want to throw out of the way. Alright, and here we are to the Nile River. It's actually the longest river in the world, goes on for about 4,000 miles. But don't worry, this may be so quick, we'll get through in just a couple of minutes. Oh wow, okay, over on your left-hand side, that right there is an African bull elephant. Easily the rarest creature we have out here in the jungle. Definitely take a picture, folks, because you'll never, ever see one of those again. You know what? That is another one, wow, yeah. So, might I suggest a lottery ticket? Yeah. Over on your left-hand side, you look deep into the jungle. Yep, right there. You'll see absolutely nothing. Just want to give you a heads up on that here. You know, a cool thing about the African bull elephant is they can actually shoot acid out of their eyes. So cool, huh? Yeah. Oh, this right here is the African home bell around the wildlife. I'll point some out to you. Yeah, so up there on the hill, those are gazelles. Those on the right there, those are gnu. And those tall ones way in the back, see those? Yeah, those are trees. And of course, in front of the trees, we have some giraffes. Those there in the front are gazebras. And oh, look at that. Those galions are looking after a sleeping gazebra. Oh, so sweet. Nature sure is beautiful. Yeah, so folks, I don't even know how to begin to process this. I mean, look at how many rocks are on that beach, huh? Oh my goodness, that is marvelous. Oh dear! Yeah, there they are. And all their glory. Alright, I do gotta warn you, we are approaching the hippo pool, and they are known to charge the boat, so hide your wallets. Yeah, don't bring cash on these cruises for that exact reason, but of course, as long as we don't see any bubbles in the water, we'll be fine. That's a lot of bubbles. Oh boy. All right, no worries. I'll handle this. I might not have brought him cash, but I most certainly brought him lead. Cover your ears. It sure does, just like my jokes. But don't worry, you guys, hold on tight. We're going to get out of here with the immaculate speed of this here vessel. All right, and with that, we are into safety. And no one's keeping score, right? But I think that's the second time you saved your life. Thank you. Glad you guys are learning something on this cruise. Oh, check that out. Looks like a bunch of chimps have stolen a boat. Let's listen in. Maybe it's good material. Oh my goodness. Kids, cover your ears. Parents, I am so sorry. I don't know where he picked up that language. My goodness. Oh, whoa. Kiddos, you got plenty of time to learn those words, like when Dad's putting together furniture. Yeah. Oh my goodness, the monkey around continues. I mean, hey guys, the butterflies go inside the box. Ridiculous. I'm not gonna let it bug me too much, because just we got the best part of the tour. I'm talking about the amazing, the stupendous, the eighth wonder of the world. If you're not gonna get excited for what it's on the stream, the river, put your hands together for the backside of water. Let me hear you now. O2H. 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 Yeah. And in case you didn't care for that, allow me to do you one better. Over on the right-hand side of the boat, we got the front side up. Any rockers out there? Yeah, we got a couple. For the rest of you, please don't worry. A lot of people take that for granted. Alright, it's pretty cool. It's kind of a Disney secret not a lot of people know about. If you guys look into the water through this stretch of the river on either side of the boat, either side, just below the surface there, give it a good long look, you can actually almost see the word gullible. I know, crazy, right? Ah, check that out. It's a snake. Everybody know what kind of snake that is? I'll give you a hint. Starts with a P. Python, very good guess. It's actually plastic. Anyways, what's a Disneyland ride without ending at a gift shop, right? So here she is. You know, let's talk about supporting small businesses. Why not support some monkey business? Oh, and there's Ellie right there. Everybody say hi to Ellie. Hi, Ellie. Yeah, don't stare for too long, though. She actually sees acid out of her eyes. So scary. Alright, please remain seated, keeping hands on our feet, legs inside the boat, and be sure to watch your kids. And then give yourselves a round of applause because you have survived the world's famous jungle cruise. Woo! It's kind of a miracle we made it, but alas, we did. You're welcome. Now, I gotta tell you folks, of all the boats I've ever done through this here jungle, you guys most certainly have been the most recent. Yeah, so thank you very much. Yeah, if you did enjoy your journey through the jungle with me, my name was Skipper Dylan. And if you didn't, my name was Skipper DJ. Oh, hey, Skipper DJ, didn't see you there, dude. Oh, let's hope you didn't hear me. That would have been really awkward, huh? Oh, boy. All right, get up. Sorry, that was rude. Please get out. Yeah, watch your head, watch your step. Use those hands.